Hello everyone, I'm Saurav. In today's video, we are going to see what is text replacement and how you can set it on your Mac. To know what's text replacement first, text replacements allow you to replace a phrase with another one as per what you have set. To begin, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your Mac and enter System Settings. Scroll down a little and enter Keyboard Settings from the left column. Here, you will find the option of text replacements. Click on it. To add a new text replacement, click on the plus icon present at the bottom of the page. Now, enter the short form of the word you wish to replace. For example, let's set TBD, which stands for to be decided. In the next column, enter the full form of the word. Click on Add. Now, we have added a new text replacement. So, people usually add text replacements for addresses and phone numbers, and you can do so using appropriate phrases to denote them. To delete an existing text replacement, select it and click on the minus icon present at the bottom of the page. To see a text replacement in action, let's open the Notes app. Here, we'll write TBD and see what happens. See, the text was replaced by to be decided, which we had set. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.